Yogita Miss for Shlok recital and Stuti ma'am for conch blowing.
या कुंदेन्तु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्ड मण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना
Thank you, Stuti ma'am and Yogita Miss, for making this morning so divine. A special warm welcome to our esteemed chief guests with rhythmic yoga presentation by our students. Dear students, for the beautiful presentation blending music, rhythm, and yoga asanas so very well. Now, may I request our principal ma'am to introduce and welcome our chief guest.
Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Biswajit Saha, Director, Training and Skill, teachers, and my dear students. It's my honor and privilege to welcome Dr. Saha today and also share his brief introduction to all assembled here. Dr. Biswajit Saha is Director, Trainings and Skill Education in CBSE, New Delhi. He manages the works of skill curriculum design, development of students, training manuals, and monitors the execution of various teachers training programs by 16 CBSE Center of Excellences. Prior to joining to CBSE in 2011, Dr. Saha was faculty member of and HOD at Government Engineering College, Agartala, served as OSD of Government of Tripura and worked with Tripura Central University and NIC Government of India in various capacities. We would like to express our sincere thanks to you, sir, for readily accepting our invitation and removing time from your busy schedule and gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. Over to Dandanamis.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Moving on to the next live performance of the day. Yoga asanas by our students.
Garudasana helps to increase our balance capacity. It flexible our knee and ankle ligament. Now next competitive asana is Chakrasana. Now Chakrasana is the backward bend of the spine. It increases the flexibility of our spine. Relax, Sarvesh. Now third asana is the Shirshasana. Shirshasana is also called as a topsy-turvy pose. It supplies the blood circulation towards our head. Relax. Fourth asana is the Paschimottanasana. For Paschimottanasana, he has to sit on a mat, both the legs straight, bend forward, hold the toes with the index finger, and he has to bend forward. This increases the spinal flexibility in a forward direction. Fifth competitive asana is the Ekapada Kapotasana. Now, Ekpad Kapotasana, it increases the flexibility of our pelvic joint and hamstring muscle. Now, sixth asana is the Matsyasana. For Matsyasana, student has to sit in first Padmasana, then lie down on the back and hold the thumb with the index finger. It creates positive pressure on our thyroid gland. Relax. Now next asana is the Supta Vajrasana. Now Supta Vajrasana is the alternative pose for Shirshasana. The benefits of the Supta Vajrasana and Shirshasana is the same. Now next asana is the Purna Dhanurasana. For Purna Dhanurasana, has to lie down on the stomach. Purna Dhanurasana. Yes. Relax. Next asana is the Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana, you have to lie down on a back. Okay. Now relax, Sarvesh. Now Ashwani is studying in standard 9. He is going to show you simple Shuddhi Kriya and Asana and Pranayam. Now first Shuddhi Kriya is the Shwasana Marga Shuddhi. Now for Shwasana Marga Shuddhi, player has to sit in any comfortable Adharasana, hold the right nostril with the right thumb and exhale out forcefully from the left nostril. 5 strokes. Similarly, repeat from the left and exhale out from the right nostril. Now, Shwasan Marga Shuddhi helps to clean our nasal passage. Now, second asana is the Kapalbhati. Now, Kapalbhati, player has to sit in any comfortable Adharasana, keep the spine straight, and here to do active exhalation and passive inhalation. When we do forceful exhalation, nasal cavity as well as our forward cavity clean. Next asana is the Parvatasana. For Parvatasana, student has to sit in Padmasana, join your hands, then raise your hands straight upward. Final position, close the eyes and concentrate on the breathing. Now, Parvatasana helps to increase flexibility of the spine. It gives self-traction of the vertebral column. Now, relax asana. Now our next asana is the Vajrasana. Now Vajrasana is also one more meditative asana. You have to sit between the heels, hands on a thigh, spine erect, and close the eyes. One more benefits of the Vajrasana is it helps to our digestive system. Next asana is the Yoga Mudra. Yoga Mudra, student has to keep the hands backward and player has to bend forward and try to touch our chin to the floor. Now Yoga Mudra creates positive pressure on our abdominal muscle. The efficiency of abdominal organ increase. Relax. Now next asana is the Tribandha. For Tribandha, student has to sit in any comfortable Adharasana. In Tribandha, first bandha is the Mula Bandha, means contraction of anal region. Second bandha is the Uddiyana Bandha, is called as the abdominal lock. And third is the Jalandhar Bandha, means chain lock. Now this Tribandha, it helps to hold our breath inside. It gives positive pressure on our thyroid gland, our pancreas, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Now releasing, first release the Jalandhar Bandha, chin lock, then abdominal muscle. Now we are ready for the pranayam. Now, Sir Ashwani is going to show you Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For Anulom Vilom Pranayam, student has to sit in any comfortable Adharasana. Hold the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale from the left nostril. Then close the left nostril and exhale from right. Then inhale from right nostril. Close the right nostril and exhale from the left. This complete one round. Now Anulom Vilom Pranayam, it helps to open our left and right nostril, increase the oxygen capacity and maintain our body temperature. Now, thank you Ashwani, relax. Now over to Vanita ma'am.
Thank you, Sarvesh and Ashwani, for your perfect demonstration and sir for your informative description simultaneously. May I request our chief guest, Dr. Saha, to spell a few pearls of wisdom to all of us.
Thank you so much, Madam Principal, all the faculty members of the schools, eminent yoga coaches, and of course, all my dear students and their parents who have connected virtually to this morning to celebrate the International Yoga Day. And of course, I must compliment the school for organizing such event from 14th itself. And I think that itself is a booster to the students during this pandemic periods. So I was just listening about the effectiveness of different asanas. And in fact, we are also practicing these things for quite some time. So if we really like to celebrate this Yoga Week or International Yoga Day, these things we must have to keep in our everyday practice, or we call it Abhyas Yoga. And through that, I think we can train ourselves and our body some way trying to absorb all these qualities. So first of all, my humble request to the both teachers, parents and students, that how we can accept yoga to change our behavior. So yoga and behavior. So that means each and every component of our life, our neurochemistry, the hormone secretions, the behavior of our cortex, so our brain, we need to come up with this kind of practice so that we can keep our brain in calm and also direct, and even our emotions we can control, so that ultimately in every relationships we give due importance and we can listen opposite side in a way so that the behavioral pattern may not change abnormally. I think the beauty of yoga, we call it yoga means connections or adding up, and ultimately it's a union of each and every body part, and it becomes under control of one human self. And if we can really do that, I think whatever challenges, immunity and other things are, of course, these are all inbuilt systems. But ultimately, one can win over others. One can really look into through that particular behavioral lens towards a leadership objective. So, and it is highly possible. Believe me, it is highly possible. And many of, not only Yoga Guru or Sant, many of our effective leaders, whether it is in the political front or in the scientific front or in the medicine or in the administrations, many of the individuals are actually practicing towards that accomplishment. So my humble request to all of you, one way we have to look into our Indian systems, and through which, because ultimately if you look into the history, the origin and other things, our patterns are being used and utilized in every part of the world. But how effectively we are utilizing it? Rather, we are trying to follow the other countries' dynamics. Okay, following, of course, it is good, but उसमें स्वतंत्रता हम कैसे ढूंढ पाएंगे? उसके लिए मेरा ख्याल से we must focus on Indian systems of yoga, and very simple way, the way you all are showcasing, I think it is highly doable, whether it is asana or it is a meditation, ultimately reaching to the highest level of concentration. So at this age, when students are trying to concentrate on your studies, despite of pandemics, lot of challenges you are facing both at home and even through the virtual classroom, I think through meditations, you can achieve lot of things, and especially you can effectively enhance your concentrations. And that concentrations, not only on studies, it could be on any objects you want to achieve. So my request to the teachers and of course to the parents in your daily routine, because CBSE always believes on fitness. And that's why we put 1 hour mandatory fitness activities in school. We know students are not able to come to the schools for last 1.5 years. But that practice, if you allow at home and encourage them to do, I think that itself towards celebrating the International Yoga. So thanks to all yogis. All the best.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational, inspiring, and thoughtful words. We are truly enlightened listening to you. Thanks again for your kind words of appreciation. Thank you, sir. Requesting Avinash, sir, to please give the vote of thanks for the day.
यहाँ पर उपस्थित आदरणीय डॉक्टर विश्वजीत साहा सर, प्रिंसिपल मैडम सविता दास, शिक्षकगण, माता पिता तथा मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे आज के मेहमान डॉक्टर विश्वजीत साहा सर, इनको भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं जो अपना कीमती वक्त यहाँ पर निकालकर हमसे जुड़े और हमें मार्गदर्शन किया। इस कार्यक्रम की नींव रखने वाली हमारी पाठशाला की प्रिंसिपल दास मैडम को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। धन्यवाद सभी शिक्षक गणों का जिन्होंने इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने के लिए अपना योगदान दिया, क्योंकि उनके योगदान के बगैर ये अधूरा है। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं उन बच्चों को जिन्होंने आज के कार्यक्रम में हिस्सा लिया, कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं हमारे माता पिता तथा बच्चों को जिन्होंने सुबह उठकर इस सप्ताह में अच्छी तरह से भाग लिया, योगा किया, उनको भी मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं। फिर से एक बार सबको धन्यवाद देता हूं। और टू दंडोनामिस।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Education instructor Atul sir is going to give a brief account on our week-long yoga celebration.
Myself conducted first day of yoga week. I explained how to clean our sensory organ with simple yogic kriya. With the help of this kriya, we can throw the toxins out from the body. On day 2, Miss Kunjan Paul, yoga professional certified by Ayush Ministry, Government of India, Madam explained and demonstrated how to increase organ oxygen capacity and how to take care our eyes and improve eyesight. On day 3, Miss Rita Soni, a diploma holder in yoga and naturopathy, Madam explained and demonstrated how to do yogic asanas and what precautions have to be taken while performing asanas. On day 4, Miss Nikita Gunjil, state level yoga player, explained and demonstrated effective asanas to students that help them grow taller. And as a precautionary against COVID-19. On day 5, Mr. Anand Vamanse, not only diploma as a yoga instructor, but he is a MBA in finance. Sir explained and demonstrated about yogic technique using short storytelling method, which are beneficial for students, which in turn improve memory capacity. On day 6, Kunjan Paul explained diet and demonstrated effective asanas for boosting immunity. On day 7, Mr. S.S. Sarma, working in central government and associated with Patanjali Institute since 2003. Sir explained and demonstrated in very simple way, attractive playway method, how to perform asanas and explain their benefits. Thank you. Over to Vanita ma'am.
Thank you, sir. So, my dear students, do any one of you have any doubts, any questions?
Yes, ma'am. Shravani, do you know we are celebrating International Yoga Day in our school?
Yes, dear friend. Like every year, not only in our school, not only in the entire country, but all over the world, International Yoga Day is celebrated on 21st June.
Can you please tell me, is Yoga Shastra a grantha, a book? Who has written it?
You are absolutely correct, my friend. Yoga Shastra Grantha is a book which is written by our great Indian Patanjali Muni.
What is योग? ये योग क्या है?
योग में चित्त को एकाग्र करके ईश्वर में लीन होना ही योग है.
I have read. What is चित्तवृत्ति निरोध? इस सूत्र का अर्थ क्या है? Please make it simpler and explain this for all to understand it well.
Yes, my dear friend. I like your question very much. You know, I did have the same question earlier, which was explained to me very well by my Sanskrit sir and yoga sir. It means attaining a state of complete concentration at a given time on a specific object or a thing without allowing your mind to waver from here and there.
Thank you, Shravani.
Absolutely correct, Shravani. You have given a beautiful explanation. And yes, I would like to add that Yoga Shastra is not a religious granth, but it's a scientific way of explanation how to master human sensory organ and live a disciplined life while attaining healthy body and healthy mind.
Fair enough. Still further, any more questions, please? If any?
No, ma'am.
Fine, thank you. Now, we request Atul sir, our physical education instructor to call upon Principal Ma'am to declare the closing ceremony of the International Yoga Week.
Yeah. Now I request our Principal Ma'am to declare the closing ceremony.
Now, I declare this week-long yoga program is going to an end today. From tomorrow, again, we'll start with our regular yoga classes before our online academic classes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Requesting Yogita Miss for the national anthem.
जनगण मन
Yogita Miss, please start.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
So, dear students, thank you all. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Thank you, Avinash sir. Thank you, everybody.